Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create Snapchat account on 2021. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here you have to go to Play Store, and then here you have to search for Snapchat. Okay, Snapchat beta if possible, and then here make sure to download this application or update your apps. Okay, so here I'm gonna show you the full tutorial how you can create. So guys, it's on installing process, so it depends upon the network, what type of network you are using. So here you can see I have successfully downloaded the Snapchat application from Google Play Store. You can go for iOS also. For iOS you have to go on App Store. Okay, so now you have to click on open option here, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So here to create an account you have to click on this sign in option here. Okay, you have to click on this sign in option. Okay, and then after clicking to this sign in you have to click on sign up option. Sorry. So after clicking the sign up option here, you can see first name, so you have to enter your first name. So let me just enter random tech, and then click on sign up and accept. Here you can see what's your birth date, so you have to enter your birthday. So let me just enter my birthday here. Okay, okay, now click on continue, and here you can see your username is random tech 2021. And if you want to change the username, then you have to just click on this change my username. Just tap here and then you can change, but I'm not gonna change. So here just click on continue, and here you can see password. So here you have to enter your own password. So let me just enter my password here. So guys, after entering the password you have to click on next, and then this type of interface will pop up. So here you have to enter your phone number. So let me just enter my phone number here, and you have to click on continue. Okay, and then here you can see you will receive a code. Here you can see automatically you will receive a code, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So now here if you try to click on continue, you will get the list of the friend here you can see. And if you want to skip, you have to simply tap on the skip. So for now let us skip this. Yes. Okay, and then here if you turn on the Snapchat, here your camera will be on. Let me just show you. Okay, here you can see my camera is on. So here on the bottom left corner there is a profile icon. Simply go here, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So here as you can see here, this type of interface is popping out. So here you can create your Bitmoji. Your account is ready. Okay, and if you click to this settings on the top right corner, here you'll find this type of interface here. So here guys, what you need to do here, you have to you can just enter link your email ID and your password. You can change your password also. So this is how you can do that. So your account, Snapchat account is ready. So this is how you can do that. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.